Happy Earth Day from the TDEC Office of Energy Programs and the Middle West Tennessee Clean Fuels Coalition. This year's Earth Day theme is Restore Our Earth, something we at TDEC strive to do year-round. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, the transportation sector was responsible for around 30% of Tennessee's total energy consumption in 2018, making it the largest end-use energy-consuming sector in the state. Also, transportation is the largest source of greenhouse gas emissions from fossil fuel consumption and several criteria air pollutants like nitrogen oxides in the state of Tennessee. So for this Earth Day, we hope you join our mission and make greener transportation choices. First, while we know a lot of people depend on a personal vehicle for transportation, we encourage you to find mobility alternatives where possible. With this wonderful spring weather, consider walking, biking, or taking public transit. These choices let you reduce your energy footprint and improve the health of our state's environment. Plus, it's always good to get moving after a cold winter indoors. Next, for those of us that do a lot of solo driving, keep an eye on your vehicle's fuel economy. For one, check your tire pressure. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, you can improve your vehicle's gas mileage by as much as 3% when driving on properly inflated tires. So go dig out your tire gauge to save some money and some fuel. Also, try not to idle. Roughly 3 billion gallons of fuel is consumed each year in the U.S. by needless vehicle idling. When you're sitting in your vehicle, stopped but not in traffic, be sure to turn your vehicle off to again save money and fuel. The environment also saves on unnecessary air pollution, an added bonus. This final tip is for all of my aggressive drivers. Did you know your fuel economy can drop by 30% or more when you're speeding, slamming on the brakes, or pushing the accelerator to the floor? Not only can you drive more safely and spare yourself a potential ticket, getting rid of your lead foot can save you big at the gas pump and reduce your vehicle emissions. Want to win big for Earth Day 2021? Take a photo of yourself using any of the transportation tips from this video, share it with us on our social media platforms, and we'll enter you to win a special Earth Day prize from TDEC. Find more details on TDEC's social media sites, including Twitter and Facebook. Happy Earth Day again from the TDEC Office of Energy Programs and the Middle West Tennessee Clean Fuels Coalition. Together, we can restore our Earth.